What up? It's your boy, Lazy Lester, coming at you with another episode of How to Be the Thing. So, today we're gonna
What? Why? Why? What? I don't understand. Oh my god, that was dumb. Okay. Where am I? Am I supposed to start in the brig? Now I'm sad, Panda. How is this a thing? But the ship. Ha! Ah. Jeez. Oh. Thing is, I can't hear you. Oh, there we go. Haha. I'm free. I'm free. I'm free. Dang it. My software is all messed up. This is crazy. No. Why? I'm gonna go figure myself out real quick. The attempt was good. Thank you for thank you for trying. So, after that weird session in Sea of Thieves, um, I looked around to find out what was going on. So over here, I went into the settings in the Xbox app, and I had looked here before, but I didn't really find any solutions until I came down here. And so originally it looked like this. So what these settings mean, or what these settings dictate, is that the microphone is the microphone, and the speakers are also the microphone. So if I had this headset hooked up into this other little audio port into the microphone, theoretically I would be able to hear everyone just fine, like a normal person should do. But if I set it here, I should be able to hear it from my headphones, and if I unplug my headphones, I should hear from the speakers. That was the problem the entire time. Theoretically, because I don't really have, all these people are super busy right now. I don't really have a person that I can like test this out with. Regardless though, that doesn't explain the madness that was somehow I ended up in the brig on a 2-man sloop, which should be impossible, but I don't know why there's a brig on a sloop anyway. And then it turns out that the manner in which I was freed was because another crew came up and sunk our ship. So that was fun. So, with that said, this has been Tech Time with Tyler. I have to go to work in like almost an hour, so I also need to get food in me. And I'm not scheduled to come home until 2 o'clock, or until after 2 o'clock sometimes. So there's not going to be a lot of time to do other stuff. So this is probably where I'm going to end it. If there is more, then I'll cut it right here.
All right, real quick before I go to editing and then bed, had a small mishap, hit a small pebble, fell. This is the result, and fell on the camera again. I didn't mean to, but like I heard some crunchings and some munchings, and I was a little worried because now the lens is still a little more wobbly than it used to be. Still zooms, still autofocuses. So, full confidence in this camera. It's amazing. That's it. Good night.
See, Tyler, you're getting better at this tech stuff.